Hey, what's up, Vechain holders? How are you? Hope you're fine. Now, welcome back to another video about Vechain, my friends. In this video, I'm talking about the latest update. What's going on in the Vechain? What's the current price of Vechain? What's the price changes open in the Vechain? In this video, I will share the latest update. But my friends, before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. Now my friends, the currently latest price of the Vechain is 0.081704 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the Vechain. And furthermore, if we talk about the price change, so just my friends, last 1 week change is negative except of the last 1 week, the last 1 hour. Last 1 week change is positive, my friends. The previous change is positive. Unfortunately, just in the last 60 minutes the price of the Vechain dumps, but you know what, I'm feeling good about Vechain, and absolutely today is a good day for all Vechain holders, because today the price will really taken a very huge pump. Just my friends, just unfortunately the last 1 hour chain is negative. You can see here, my friends, just look here, you can see the price pump, but from this point the price of the Vechain dumps. Just I think from the last 30 minutes the price of Vechain is going down, but I hope that is a temporary pause. After 30 minutes, after 40 minutes, maybe after 1 hour the price will falls down, and after some passage of time the price will again explode, the price will again pump up. And so don't worry about these kind of changes, everything will be okay. You have to just hold, you have to just wait for it, my friends. Anyways, what is your opinion, what is your price prediction about Vechain? Also share on the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.